We are going on a hike to the Gemstone Pool Cave on Guana Cay this morning. You've noticed the red traffic cone. That is where you will find the entrance to the hiking trail that will take you over the hills to magnificent views and then to the cave. There is also some trash marking the trail as we move along. It is a beautiful hike, probably about a mile at the most, but keep going, then you'll get to the cave. And again, the cave is marked with some trash so you won't miss the entrance. And there's the entrance. The cave is actually 15 meters wide, 2.5 meter high entrance, which Stephen is walking through now, a 40 meter long dry chamber, then descends over some rocks to a lake. It is technically called a tidal anchialine lake, which is basically a mixture of salt and fresh water. The lake is about 1.5 meters deep, and it extends around the sides and the rear of the cave chamber. There is an underwater room trending off from the lake with a lot of stalagmites and stalactites, probably at depths to 9 meters. There's a second room located in the far side of the first. It has a small air bell in the ceiling at one end, but it dips to 17 meter depth at the far extreme. With our snorkel gear, we were only able to access the very top passages, but there are many that do scuba dive this cave, and in fact, they come to the island specifically for this cave. I found a map from caveatlas.com for you to see the entire thing. I promised Stephen this is the last cave we will go in. This was the best of all the caves we have seen this entire season. This was absolutely the best cave, so I'm glad we did not skip it. With only limited lighting, we were able to capture some of the rock formations that were underwater, and not surprisingly, they were very similar to the rock formations on top of the water. We hope you enjoyed the Gemstone Pool Cave. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching.